Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Clownfish voice changer on Discord. So the first step, you simply need to search on Google Clownfish voice changer and open this website. So once you are on this website, you need to download the latest version. Here you need to click on select version for PC. So once you are here, you need to download the latest version, that is 1.80. So you need to download, and in a few seconds it will be completed. Then you need to open the program, click on open, and you need to install this. So now you can see that it is download. Then you need to open this Clownfish voice changer. So now you can see my voice, and you need to open that, and with the help of this you can change your voice. And once it is open, let me exit this first. Now here you can see that I exit, but once it is played you can see the difference. So let me close this first. Okay, here you need to open this code. I think it is playing in the background. So from here you can use. So here you listen my different voices. Let me clear this, close this, and okay. Now you need to open Discord, and here you need to click on this user settings. And once you are here, you simply need to click on voice and video, and here you need to select the source from where you can change your voice. And once you can done that, you can check that as well. So this is the process how you can use Clownfish voice changer on Discord. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.